Look, Shawty, what's up? I ain't tryna be rude, but I seen you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me. If my eyes don't deceive you, like what you see, so we can skate off up out this lift and go somewhere a little more private, like back to my crib, but not on no typical shit, like playing Scrabble. I dabble with wordplay.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Gabrielle B back with another video. What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing, baby? And today's video, we're gonna get things popping. We're gonna get things crack-a-lecky, you know. But before we get to anything, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I got videos coming out every week. So make sure you hit that notification bell and get notified when I drop a video. All right, let's get into this video, okay? So for today's video, we are going to be bleaching clothes. Y'all look like a psycho. But why not? And y'all know I just did a thrift haul. If you haven't seen that video, you should go watch it. Because I did say I was going to do some thrift flips. Why not bleach some clothes? Why not? But before we start bleaching clothes, I gotta tell you what I'm gonna use. So we have our little squeeze bottle, rubber bands. You need the rubber bands. You need the rubber bands. The bleach, of course. No splash. Yeah, you feel me? You feel me? And some water. And the clothes you're gonna bleach. So if you don't remember the video, I have this regular like burnt orange shirt that, guys, I just came up with some great ideas for the shirt. But first we're gonna bleach it. And then this red button up that is going to get bleached. You feel me? You feel me? So let's get to it.
All right, guys, we are going to take our squeeze bottle, open that baby up, and before we start, I should have wore gloves, but I'm used to using Clorox without gloves, so don't kill me in the comments. So pour half Clorox, half water. Okay, basically that's how you split up the concoction. That's what it is. Half Clorox, half water. And then you're going to shake that baby up and you have your concoction. Okay? Okay. Okay, now for the fun part. So what I'm going to do for the first shirt is pinch the middle and twist, which is kind of the common way of doing a dye or bleaching a shirt. So twist until you have like a messed up cinnamon roll type thing going on here. And then all you're going to do is put some rubber bands around it to put it in place. And look at me struggle. Oh, Lord. But yeah, you're going to put rubber bands around it and it'll keep it in place. You feel me? You feel me? All right, now next up, the button up. For this one, I didn't actually have an idea of how I was going to roll it up really. Like this was just like free willy, like whatever. So hopefully it comes out good. You feel me? Okay. But y'all gonna see. Look, yeah, see. Don't know what I'm finna do with it. But hopefully it comes out interesting, I guess. We'll see. All right, so now we're gonna start bleaching the clothes. For the orange one, I just did sections. For the red one, I just went crazy with it. I didn't really care. But it's really up to you how you want to do it. It doesn't really matter because they all come out different. So get to bleaching. All right, so now it's time to wash the shirts in cold water first. But let's take a look at how they are coming along so far. The orange one, I actually kind of like how this one's coming out. I was kind of shocked. I didn't know what was going to happen. But it's looking a little bleached. You feel me? Now, the red one, I'm a little scared. Because, it didn't look like it was taking the bleach, which, I don't know. I don't know how it's going to look. I don't know if I just wasted bleach or if it did something. So, let's see. Okay, well, we might got a little something going on. Hold on now. All right. Make sure you put it in a washer and dryer after this. Now let's look at my orange shirt. It's so cute, y'all. Y'all, this shirt cute as all get out, bro. I did that. Yes, ma'am. I was a little skeptical about the red, but it really came out cute. Ashy, like smoky vibes, you feel me? Yes. I'm loving it. If you like these shirts, comment down below. Fire. Period.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of that video. Hope you liked it. If you want to see more, you already know what's going on. Just comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit that notification bell, okay? Because why not? If you want to see more, you should get alerted to see more of my videos, right? Just saying. But if that's it, that's all. See you in the next video.